Good afternoon, welcome back to TI22, my little channel where I just show you a little bit about the cars we've been working on and what we've done to them. So this is an absolute pleasure. This is one of those cars, as a Porsche fan and as a general petrol head, this is just one of those vehicles. 40,000 miles. This thing's like new. Look at this. This is the test on these old Porsches, isn't it? Without pulling the door, if you can just squeeze the handle and the door just pops open, that is the test of how nice they are. As I say, 40,000 miles, give or take a couple. Pretty original. She is pretty much like new. My customer who's bought this is a very old, wonderful person, very old customer, not a very old person, and he just said, you do whatever you think it needs. This is quite interesting paint actually. It is very original, which means it does have some deeper marks, some deeper scratches, some sort of little love marks and things on it. Let me see if I can find one for you. You're probably looking at this saying, no, there's nothing on it. Some little things like this, which I think are quite honest little marks actually. It's those sort of things that stop a car looking over restored. You know, you could easily say this car had been painted from the pictures, but I think keeping stuff like that actually helps it look more original. Wonderful cars these. I've been lucky enough to have a ride in one. They feel very special. Like I said on my Instagram, when I posted up this very car, I do think these are an absolute bargain still compared to all of the other air-cooled RS Porsches. There's something very special, very 80s about them. And look, imagine this. You're a banker in 1989, 1990. What are you going to put your bonus on, this or the next one in? That lovely rolls in the background. I've had a few customers message me and say, yeah, that was me in the 90s. I had that choice. But look at this. So big polish, obviously ceramic coating. The wheels have been off. The car has been undersealed. We were going to lano guard this for the customer, but it's been, after taking the wheels off and everything, you can see that it has been lano guarded. It's been undersealed. There's a few little bits like the anti-roll bars will probably need taking off and re-powder coating in a year or so. But other than that, it is really nice underneath. These, of course, weren't undersealed from the factory, so that will have been an aftermarket. Absolutely immaculate interior. A couple of little bits just to hoover up on the driver's seat, on the driver's mat, before the customer comes and picks this up. But I just wanted to show you around it. Well, I had 5 minutes just to show you the car. Absolutely beautiful thing. One of the 50 right-hand drive cars. Absolutely stunning. Probably one of the best air-cooled experiences you can have. I think probably one of the best 911 experiences you can have. What a beautiful thing. Thank you once again for trusting me with this stunning vehicle. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this style of video. It's just much easier for me to produce rather than the sit down and talk, and you don't really want to see me, do you? You want to see the vehicles. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.